everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a ponytail with 2 side braids. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. This video is similar to my last video. In my last video I did 2 ponytails, but in this one I'm gonna be doing just one with 2 side braids. I'm gonna be using expression 42 inches color 2. I already explained some techniques on how to braid your hair in my last video, so I'm not gonna be saying too much on this video, but watch it carefully. You can use the side braids to do any style of your choice. And that's the end of my tutorial. Don't forget, let love fill your heart. Thank you.